Short video introduced together reviews of IMOUMLIVE 21V 2.0Ah electric chainsaw with oil system, mini chainsaw cordless. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose IMOUMLIVE 21V 2.0Ah electric chainsaw with oil system. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Why choose the expensive brushless mini chainsaw? Experience the power and torque of a professional full-size chainsaw with less weight and hassle. Mechanically designed with an ergonomic brushless motor that uses less electricity, while achieving the same voltage for long-lasting use, smooth cuts, and protection against overheating and sparks. Trim the hedges or use it for your next DIY craft, the uses are endless. Now, you don't need to be a professional to know easily lubricate the chain. The IMOUMLIVE mini chainsaw is equipped with an upgraded lubrication system. You can simply pour the lubricating oil into the oil box and freely lubricate the chain whenever necessary, allowing for butter-smooth cuts every time. Powered by a heavy-duty 21V, 2.0Ah lithium battery, the IMOUMLIVE high-power electric chainsaw can work continuously for 50 to 60 minutes, perfect for repetitive use. Paired with the powerful 600-watt brushless motor and German quality chain guide, you can be sure there will be no jamming or bark damage, perfect for pruning, trimming, and yard work. Our cordless hand chainsaw weighs only 2.2 pounds, or 1 kilogram, and comes with 4 reliable safety measures for optimal ease of use and safety assurance. Ergonomically designed to reduce finger and wrist pressure, this mini chainsaw is even user-friendly for the elderly. With CE/FCC/ETL certification, it's proven safe and trustworthy. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.